In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a Google Docs document step by step. Changing ownership is useful when you're handing off a project, switching teams, or just making sure the right person controls access and settings. Before we begin, remember that only the current owner can transfer ownership, and this option may be limited by your organization's settings. With that in mind, let's walk through it together. Start by opening Google Docs and loading the exact file you want to transfer. Make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the document. If you're unsure, click the Share button and look for your role. It should say Owner next to your name. Now, click Share in the top right corner of the document. This opens the sharing window where you manage who has access. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email address of the person you want to become the new owner. When their name appears, change their permission to editor. Ownership can only be transferred to someone who has editor access, so this step is important. Next, look at the list of people with access. Find the person you just added and click the drop-down arrow next to their name. From the menu, select Transfer Ownership. A confirmation will appear because this is a significant change. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Send Invitation or Yes, depending on what your screen shows. Here's what happens next. The new owner will receive an email notification and must accept the transfer. Until they accept, you remain the owner. After they accept, your role automatically changes from owner to editor. That means you'll still be able to work on the document, but you won't be able to change ownership again or delete the file for everyone. A few tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the transfer ownership option, you might not be the current owner, or your Google Workspace policies only allow transfers within the same organization. In many managed accounts, ownership can't be moved to personal addresses or outside domains. If that applies to you, contact your admin or use an account within the approved domain. Also, make sure you trust the new owner because they'll control sharing settings, file visibility, and deletion. If needed, you can keep a personal copy before transferring by making a duplicate in your drive. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.